Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you are a new marketer and you've made a decision that you are going to start using sales funnels to start growing your business online, and you already know that sales funnels is a great way to generate more leads and create more leverage and more time freedom in your business because your sales funnels keep working even when you're sleeping. However, you're probably also hesitant about putting your first sales funnel out there. You're probably not sure if it's going to convert or if it's going to do well, and you're maybe secretly afraid that you're putting all this work into your sales funnel and it's going to be a total flop. Well, in this video, I am going to share 3 newbie mistakes to avoid when building your sales funnel, and I'm also going to give you some few insider tips based on my own personal experience to help make sure that your sales funnel has a higher probability of converting more leads for you. So if you are new to sales funnels and you want some insider tips from someone who's got some experience in building sales funnels and generating thousands of free leads online and generating leads, sales, and signups 24/7 in my sleep, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Now, some of you may or may not know, but I am a mom and I've got 3 boys. I've got a dog, I've got a husband, and then I'm running this little business in the background, right? And so one of the struggles that I was having inside of my business was I was doing a lot of one-to-one, prospecting, which definitely has its place. But I ultimately wanted to build a business that would also allow me to have a life. So I needed to find out, how can I create an income even when I am not on my computer or my phone? So for me, sales funnels was the answer. So I totally became obsessed with creating sales funnels because I saw that if I just drove traffic to my funnel, leads would go into my funnel, they would buy my products, they would read what's already there. I didn't have to explain anything. I didn't have to get on the phone with anybody. I didn't have to do any of that stuff. My sales funnels would do all the selling, telling, presenting, and closing for me. So I was totally sold on the idea of building sales funnels. So I decided that I was going to develop the skill set that was going to help me build funnels. And trust me, I've had a lot of funnels that have flopped. I've had a lot of funnels that haven't done well, but when you get a few funnels under your belt that convert really well, I promise you that the time that you put into it is going to be worth it. Now, before you get started building funnels, there are some mistakes you want to avoid before you put all the time and energy into a funnel that may or may not convert into leads, signups, and sales. So here are 3 mistakes that you definitely want to avoid before you launch your first funnel. First biggest mistake that a lot of us make when we're planning our sales funnel is not doing enough research. And in order to start generating leads into your sales funnel, you need something to give away for free. That is called a lead magnet. So in order to determine what kind of lead magnet is going to generate the most leads for your sales funnel, you need to do the research. This is a big one, guys, okay? If you do research before you create your lead magnet, before you even write the headline for your capture page, before you write your follow-up emails, if you just do a little bit of research before you start to create, you're going to save a lot of time and you're going to increase your conversions. So what do I mean by research? Well, the first thing is you have to realize that when someone opts in for a lead magnet, it's because they are looking to solve a problem. Think about it. When you go to Google, you're typing in search terms to help you figure something out. When Google brings up a search result, what it's going to serve you is content that is relevant to the question that hopefully answers that question for you. So let's say, for example, you type into Google, how do you lose weight on the keto diet? you're bound to probably find some videos or a blog post that says 10 ways to lose weight on a keto diet, or 10 foods you should eat on a keto diet. So that is answering your question. So a great lead magnet would be to create a checklist, a grocery list, or an ebook that answers the question, how do I lose weight on keto? Okay, so what I recommend that you do is go into Google and start doing a little bit of keyword research, is start typing in the kind of questions that you were thinking before you joined whatever business opportunity you're involved with, before you got involved with the product that you're trying to generate leads for. Backtrack your steps and start thinking about some of the things that you were entering into Google and what the answers you found were, and create a lead magnet for it that is going to help you start bringing leads into your funnel successfully. Start taking 10, 15, 20 minutes just to do a little bit of research, and that'll start sparking ideas. And then just make sure that when you create your lead magnet, it is more than likely going to be the solution to a problem that that person is searching on Google for. Now, the second mistake that a lot of us make as new marketers online is that we bank on one funnel doing everything for us, right? We think that this one funnel is just going to just make us a bajillion dollars, and it's all we need, and we can ride our whole entire business on one sales funnel, and that is not true. Now, I do agree that if you do have a good funnel, that funnel, once it's in place, it's like putting a ball in motion, and once that ball's in motion, it's just going to keep on spinning and spinning and spinning, and it's going to keep on, that funnel's going to keep on generating leads. It's going to be predictable. You are actually going to have a predictable sales process in your business. I do have a couple of funnels that actually do that for me, and I'm telling you, it is amazing, because I know that if I just drive some traffic through those funnels, there is a predictability of a lead generation, of how many people purchase my one-time offer, how many people take the next step in my sales process. But funnels are basically like a campaign that lead to the bigger picture, which is the main goal of selling whatever product or business opportunity or whatever. So let me just give you a concrete example. Let's say for me, I am aligned with a digital marketing software that also has an amazing business opportunity attached to it, where all affiliates that actually promote the product make 100% commission on the very first sale and residual monthly income as long as people stay active using the software. So it is something that I'm very passionate about. I love it, but it would be crazy for me to just do one funnel that leads to the exposure of that business opportunity. There are so many different opportunities to send more people to check out that business opportunity, that presentation. Now, I'm not going to talk the same way to moms and dads as I'm going to talk to people that are maybe already have a business that want to do sales funnels. And I'm not going to talk the same way to, a teenager that is interested in sales funnels, okay, as I would to like the mom and dads. They're a different demographic. They're a different target audience. So the way that I present the information, which will ultimately lead to the same end outcome, right, is going to be different. So a sales funnel is like an individual campaign that ultimately leads to the same end goal, right? So if you are targeting, let's say, teenagers who want to create more income online, I would create a funnel just to speak to those people, and my process would be a little bit different on how I present the opportunity, right? I would position the opportunity in a different way for those type of people. And same thing for moms and dads, my message to that market would be slightly different, and that would also be reflected in my funnel. So don't think that just one funnel is going to be everything and it's going to be the end all be all, because it's not. You want to, here's what you do want to do. What you do want to do is get a funnel off the ground tweak it, nurture it, master it, monitor it, see how it's doing. Is it converting? Is it not converting? Maybe you need to tweak the lead magnet. Are people downloading your lead magnet? You really want to go through that funnel with a fine-tooth comb until it does become a predictable sales system in your business. And once that ball's in motion, start your next funnel. So the third mistake a lot of us make when, creating our sales funnels is focusing on selling the product. I see this all the time, and that is why I launched my 5-day How to Sell Without Selling challenge that you can check out right here at www.risebrandingacademy.com, because I take you through the process of selling without selling and putting really the customer's needs first. It goes back to the example that I gave you about doing your research. Your funnel, your lead magnet, everything in your sales process ultimately leads to your business opportunity or your product or your service as the solution to that person's problem. So you always start with the customer's problem in mind. What is the problem that they're having that I can solve? Let me create a lead magnet that helps, get them into my sales process, that helps answers a few questions for them, that gives them that value that they're looking for, and then kind of like guide them to the next step in my sales process. You can't go and just say, hey, you have got to try this keto drink. It is amazing. It tastes like orange. It is, people are losing so much weight with it. It is, rated blah, blah, blah in the blah, 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 and give all these scientific facts and beat and bada, and you're just going on and on about how great the product is. And I'm like, meh. Can't relate. Does it solve my problem? That's what I want to know. Does it solve my problem? That's what people want to know. So when you're planning your sales funnel, focus on what is the customer's need. How can this product help this customer or this potential buyer, I should say, solve their problem? Obviously, if you're trying to put a sales funnel together, it's because you're trying to get people to be exposed to a product or service or software or something that you truly believe in. And there is something that led you to the point where you decided to become an affiliate for that product. So again, backtrack your steps and ask yourself, what were some of the questions that I was asking? What were some of my motivating factors for joining this business or promoting this product? Write those things down, flesh it out a little bit. Also, if you are in the process of creating your first lead magnet and you're not 100% sure what you should write, or you're not a good writer, but you want to get something of value out there, check out also my course called the 30-Minute Lead Magnet. I will leave a link for you right below in the description box. And the cool thing is I've included some bonus modules that will actually not only teach you how to create your first lead magnet and not even have to write it yourself, okay? But I've also included a bonus module that's going to teach you how to build your lead magnet funnel through Builderall, and I've also included a free share funnel that I designed to help you give away your lead magnet. It is absolutely free. You can download that funnel into your own Builderall account. And if you don't know what Builderall is the software that I use to build all my funnels and create all these awesome sales systems and processes in my business. And so I will link all that information for you right below this video. All right, guys and gals, well, thank you so much for watching. I truly hope that this helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you are alerted when I upload my next video to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. This has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.